In a previous video I showed you how to overhaul the raw water pump on the Volvo Penta 5 litre GXi V8 engine. Unfortunately, after only a short period of running, the pump started leaking again. This time the pump was removed, including the main drive, pulley and the shaft. By doing this, it revealed the root cause behind the leak. The shoulder that the bearing sits on has corroded away badly, as can be seen here. This means that only a small portion of the bearing is actually in contact with the shoulder, and so allows the engine vibration to rock the pump on the shaft, and this in turn creates a gap between the shaft and the seal, hence the leak. The solution was to use a lathe to machine down the shoulder further to create a flat surface. Then to manufacture a small aluminium collar to fit over the shaft. The wider section now means that the bearing is now secure, and with some Loctite bearing compound will remain firmly in place. A light application of marine grade grease helps to protect and to lubricate the bearing. The inner shaft seal can simply be pressed into place by hand.